Mabel and Guavy, and today we're making blueberry muffins.
We are using the mix we used last time, the Bob's Red Mill gluten-free mix that we made into cupcakes, and today we're making them into muffins.
Muffins.
Do you remember what is the difference between a muffin and a cupcake?
It's a cupcake has more sugar and it has frosting, and muffins don't have frosting, and we don't usually put sugar in them.
Right. We say that you have to use a fruit to have a muffin. So
yeah,
that's what we're doing. So do you want to open that? We have our oven heated to 400 degrees, and then we're going to pour that in. I have my flaxseed already going. Since we can't eat egg, the recipes call for 2 eggs, so we're using flaxseed. So we did 2 tablespoons of flaxseed and 5 tablespoons of water, and then you let it set until it becomes a paste, at least 15 minutes. You can also put it in the freezer if you want to speed up that process, if you don't have enough time to waste waiting. And then we have our muffin tins all ready. I used the palm shortening. Let's show them. Palm shortening, I like to use that to butter the pan, to butter the muffin tins, because olive oil does not work very well, and those are the only 2 oils that Guavy can have, is palm shortening, oil-ish, and olive oil. So that's what we do. It works really well if you're dairy-free. Okay, so now we need those instructions.
So, and we also got frozen blueberries. We're like kind of unthawing them. We just took them out of the freezer.
Yeah, so let's do 1 cup of milk. One of those milks are open.
Yes, this one is very light. It feels like there's more than a cup in there.
And Guavy's trying to talk me into putting crumble on top, like a cinnamon sugar crumble. So we'll see. Is that still a muffin? I don't know.
Well, it's still got
Keep going, a little bit more. You can overfold it a little. So when we use flaxseed, I think it's always really dry. Drier than if you use an egg. So I recommend putting a little extra milk or oil, just a dab. There you go. In there, because I think it helps it make it a little more moist. Okay, and then oil, you're going to do a half
cup. Can I drink it out of the cart?
Oh, drinking it out of the cart.
My mouth isn't big enough.
Half cup. So if you don't have one of these measuring cups, if you don't cook a lot, I highly recommend getting one of these. This is stainless, and it has, you can see the little notches on here. So it shows you where a 1/4 cup is, a half, and 3/4, and a whole cup. I love it. So you can just use one. You just dirty one thing, which we all like, right? Less dishes, the better. We are doing a half cup of oil right now, and we are using olive oil because that is what we have today.
We actually went to the store and spent about $200 on groceries.
Groceries are so expensive. And vanilla. You can't forget about the vanilla.
This does not look very
Dab of vanilla, and then we will blend it all up.
We also got a new tripod today. So.
We did. So you guys can see a little better. Look at us moving up in the world here. So we're going to blend this up, and once it gets all mixed, I usually like to add the flaxseed last because I'm waiting for it to thicken, because I don't do it ahead of time.
With still some oil.
Okay. Yep, so blend that up. And then these instructions, they're actually pretty good if you read the back.
Was I not supposed to?
I got them out.
Oh.
So you can make banana nut muffins, lemon blueberry. I was gonna ask you, there's chocolate cherry on here.
I mean, I would like chocolate, like something else. So.
But not chocolate cherry. Chocolate cherry, I think that sounds amazing. Pineapple, coconut, or orange cranberry.
I really want to try like a chocolate cherry and then like I don't know.
Chocolate on a cherry?
Yeah. No. I want to do chocolate cherry. Can we?
Instead of blueberry?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope it's
Let's
good.
Switch it up. There's cherries in the freezer.
Upstairs or upstairs?
Upstairs.
Okay.
And then hold on 1 second. Let us get the ingredients. These are the chocolate chips that we use. If anybody is struggling finding some sweet treats, Enjoy Life makes great ingredients. I love this brand. So it's free from wheat, peanut, tree nuts, dairy, casein, soy, egg, sesame, mustard, lupin, shellfish, fish. Who adds that to chocolate anyway? But crustaceans and some more things. But they're great. I highly recommend this. So the instructions say basically that you want to add like a cup of extra goodies to make it sweet. So that's whatever you put in. You can put in whatever you want. But you're going to add a cup of stuff. So
A cup of stuff.
yeah. So mix that up. So
and then
specifically, yeah.
Enjoy Life makes chocolate bars and a whole bunch of other chocolate stuff.
They're great. So maybe we'll do a video showing all the sweet treats that we found.
Yeah.
That would be good. Yeah, Enjoy Life, you can even get them on Amazon. It's great. You can get them a lot of places. Okay, so I'm going to add, the instructions say a half cup. So we're going to try that and see what we think.
Got some on your finger. On accident.
Hey. Same measuring cup. Half cup of chocolate chips. And then we're using
melty. They're hot.
a half cup. This calls for dried cherries. We definitely don't have dried cherries.
We do, actually. We do, Mom.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Remember those ones that you bought me and I didn't like them?
I don't think they're cherries.
Cherries. They're cherries.
Oh, we do. Look at that.
Dried cherries.
Yeah, look at that.
I'll go put these back in the freezer.
Do you want to put some fresh ones in there too, or no?
Fresh what?
Cherries?
Oh, yeah. I kind of do.
We might be able to...
They look like giant raisins. That's what they look like.
Yeah, they do look funny. Look at that. So we want a half cup of chopped cherries. So we're going to put we're going to put dried cherries in there and a little bit of fresh cherry juice.
I need this, right?
We'll see how this turns out.
I really hope this tastes good because this looks like we're making chocolate chip cookies. Except it doesn't seem like there's very many chocolate chips. You can't have them. Because these are definitely high in histamine.
Yeah. Here, let's try. I want you to try a cherry and some chocolate chips. We should have done this before we dumped all that in there. Oops.
I really don't want to try one.
Is this going to be bad?
No. That cherry was kind of sour and tastes good to me.
Okay.
Just don't like the texture of those.
Okay. Well, when it's in a muffin, it might be a little better, right? Let's put these in the pan. So, if you don't have one of these, I love this. A glass bowl, a little pour spout. It makes muffins so much easier.
And donuts when we make donuts. We should do a video where we make donuts.
That's what I was thinking. There you go. Got them in there. I like to clean up the edges a little bit, otherwise it just burns. But let me show you. Let me wipe my hands off first. Who doesn't like fresh cherries? It's crazy. Okay, you see that? Okay, we're gonna put them in the oven and cook them for 22 to 25 minutes until they come out with a clean toothpick and they're golden brown on top, and we'll show you what that looks like. See you in a minute.
We cut our muffin in half. If you don't remember, we made cherry and chocolate. We're about to try Skeeter's one.
These ones I end up having to cook for 25 minutes, so a little bit longer. What do you think?
They're really
Are
good.
they good?
Yeah. 8 out
Better
of
than
5.
the that's pretty good.
Mine tastes like chocolate chip.
Do they?
Yeah.
Do they taste better than the other ones we made, or what's your favorite muffin we've made?
I like the blueberry. And I also like lemon raspberry.
Lemon raspberry? A little bit better than these ones? Okay, that's fair.
This many.
That many?
I'm Skeeter.
Skeeter. Okay, thanks for joining us, guys.
For joining us.